Hello and welcome to the Analytics training videos. In this video, we will learn about the different types of bar charts, including horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, bar histogram, group bar chart, group stack bar chart, vertical stacked bar chart. Let's first start with the vertical bar chart. Vertical bar charts are used to display and compare the number, frequency, or other measures. You can plot a bar chart from the Analytics Builder or pivot table. For example, let's plot a bar chart that shows the number of cards assigned to each team member. To plot a bar chart from the Analytics Builder, click the vertical bar chart on the Analytics Builder. Specify the name of the chart and the data criteria, such as the work item types on which you want to plot the chart, work item status, and the duration of the data. You can also specify any specific condition in the filter. Specify the dimensions for the chart, such as the value by which you want to aggregate the work items, such as count, sum, average, or percentage. Only the numeric values are shown for the aggregation in the chart. In this example, let's plot the chart by the count of cards. Select the attribute of the work item that you want to plot on the x-axis. To plot the count of card owners, we will select the owner attribute and specify the owner names. You can plot another attribute on the axis. To do that, click the Add icon and select the attribute. Click the Save button. When two attributes are selected, one value is grouped by another value and plotted on the x-axis, while the count is plotted on the y-axis of the chart. To see the trend line on the data, select the date-based attribute for the x-axis and turn on the trend line toggles. To see the list of work items in a bar, click the bar and it will open the list of cards. The bar chart is plotted in the sprint velocity, burn down chart, release velocity, spillover work trend, and release burn up widgets. Now let's learn about the horizontal bar chart. In the horizontal bar chart, the bars are plotted horizontally. They are useful when you have long value names and want to see them on the axis. For example, you can plot a horizontal bar chart to see the card owner's name on the y-axis and the count of the owners on the x-axis so that the names are visible properly. You can create a horizontal bar chart from the Analytics Builder as well as the pivot table. To plot a horizontal bar chart, open the Analytics Builder and select the horizontal bar chart. Just like the vertical bar chart, specify all the settings. Select Owner as one of the attributes and specify the owner names. Now let's learn about the bar histogram chart. The bar histogram chart is used to represent statistical information by way of bars to show the frequency distribution of continuous data. For example, you can plot a bar histogram chart to see the number of cards by their estimated points. To plot a bar histogram chart, open the Analytics Builder and click the bar histogram chart. In the Settings page, specify the settings such as work item type and date range. To see the count of cards by their estimated points, select the Estimate Points attribute for the x-axis and specify the values. Now let us understand the group bar chart. In the group bar chart, the bars are plotted in multiple groups to visualize a number of work items across multiple categories. For example, if you want to see the number of priority cards completed by each team member, then you can plot a group bar chart. To plot a group bar chart, open the Analytics Builder and click the group bar chart. Specify the data criteria such as card type and duration. To plot the card owners, select the owners as one of the attributes and specify the owner names. To group the owners by priority, select the priority attribute in the group by and specify its values. Click the Save button. The values are grouped by priority. Now, let us learn about the group stack bar chart. In the group stack bar chart, a number of stacked bars are plotted in multiple groups to visualize a number of cards across multiple categories and values. To plot a group stacked bar chart, open the Analytics Builder and select the group stacked bar chart. Specify the data criteria, such as work item type and duration. To plot the group stacked bar chart, select the owner attribute for the x-axis. Now to group the owners by their priority, select the priority attribute in the group by list. Now to divide the bars into multiple stacks of size, select the size in the stack by list. The group bar chart is plotted with multiple stacks in it. Now let's learn about the vertical stacked bar chart. A vertical stack chart uses vertical bars to show comparisons among categories. For example, if you want to see the count of cards completed by each team member along with the size of cards, then you can plot the vertical stack bar chart. To plot a vertical stack bar chart, open the Analytics Builder and select the vertically stacked bar chart. Specify the data criteria such as work item type and duration. Select the owner attribute to be plotted on the x-axis of the chart. From the stack by list, select the size attribute so that each bar has stacks of multiple sizes. The chart is plotted with bars having multiple stacks so that you can compare the values of each bar. We hope this video helped you have a basic understanding of the different types of bar charts and how to plot them. See you in the next video. Thank you.